student. The fourth semester. In the fourth semester, 4 units are there. The first unit is the cell biology. Second one is the embryology. Third, fourth belongs to the genetics. So now today I am discussing about the cell biology. Cell biology. So generally, all the plants and animals can able to made by the cells. All the plants and animals can able to made by the cells. Cells are very important. Cell is called as a structural functional unit of the plant and animal. So without cells, tissues are not formed. Without tissues, organs are not formed. Without organs, animal is not formed. So that's why the fundamental unit of the life is called as cell. So in the cell, the following parts are there. Cell must and should contain the three important physical characters are there. They are now number one. Cell means cell contains three important physical parts. They are number one, plasma membrane. Number two, cytoplasm. Number three, nucleus. Three important parts are present. What are the three parts? Plasma membrane. Second one is the what happened? First one is the plasma membrane. Second one is the cytoplasm. Third one is the nucleus. First is the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is also very important part in the cell. So that is it is the outer part of the cell. So now in the figure, the edge part, complete cytoplasm is separated from the plasma membrane. So it is also called as selective permeable membrane. So why? Because which material is wanted to the cell, they can able to allowing inside. So which are not important, so they are not allowed inside of the cell. It means endocytosis, exocytosis. So these two important phenomena are under control of the cytoplasm. For example, carbon dioxide is formed in the cell, that is sent outside. Exocytosis takes place, or osmosis takes place, or diffusion takes place. So like that, the harmful material when it is formed in the cytoplasm, they are simply sent outside of the animal body. So across the plasma membrane. That's why the plasma membrane is the checking point. So what are the important parts are present? What are the useful to the cell? What are not useful to the cell? So which are dominant to the cell? So which are dangerous to the cell? They are simply eliminated from the cytoplasm. So from the cytoplasm to plasma membrane. So that's why plasma membrane is also very important play role in the cell. Second one is cytoplasm. Inside the plasma membrane, say colloid cytoplasm is present. So the basically all the biological activities or takes place in the cytoplasm. So third one is nucleus. So nucleus is also very important. In the center, nucleus is there. Inside the nucleus, chromosomes are present. Chromosomes are also called as hereditary character transmission from one generation to other generation. So that's why, and also character deciding factor, genes. What are the important parts are present? So in the animal kingdom, they are present only in the chromosomes. So that's why chromosomes are surrounded by the nucleus envelope. Inside the nucleus envelope, chromosomes are present. So like that, three parts are important parts are present in the varied cell. Plasma membrane is the first one. Second one is cytoplasm. Third one is the nucleus. Plasma membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. So out of these three, so cytoplasm also very important. You know the second part. So in the cytoplasm, the numerous uncountable, important, functionable cell organelles are there. So they are of number one, endoplasmic reticulum. Number two, Golgi complex. Number three, mitochondria. Number four, ribosomes. Number five, lysosomes. So number six, ribosomes. So like that, important cell organelles. What are the cell organelles? Mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, ribosomes. So all the important cell organelles are also present inside of the cell. So for example, first one is the endoplasmic reticulum. So in this figure, so this is the endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum also very it is also called as cell skeleton. In the higher animals, what is present in the higher animal? What is present in the higher animal? Skeletal system is present. Skeletal system. Skeletal system is also useful for support to the animal body. So when it is support to the animal body, then what happens? So it is support to the animal body, structural framework also takes place. Similar fashion, in the cell can able to contain the different kind of cells containing different shapes. Round shape, oval shape, rectangular shape, like that thread-like structure. So like the numerous shapes are there. Every shape is under control of the endoplasmic. It means the cell shape must and should showing itself in through the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why endoplasmic reticulum is also called as skeleton of cell. So that if the skeleton is not there, shape is not occur. Shape is not occur, properly not function. So like that, numerous important characters can able to take place through the endoplasmic reticulum. So next, Golgi complex. All the secretions are takes place through the Golgi complex. Protein synthesis also takes place through the ribosomes. So lysosomes, all the lytic enzymes, digestion also takes place through the lysosomes. Mitochondria expresses takes place through the mitochondria. So like that, cell organelles are also very important. Each cell organelles can able to particular function is there. Through the function they can able to survive the cell. So last one is the nucleus. Nucleus also very important. Nucleus is enters the nucleus membrane. Here and there whatever nucleus pores are there. These are the nuclear pores. Cytoplasm is communicated to the nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm is recombinant cytoplasm through these small pores. So that's why these also very important. So next, at the time of cell division, the nucleus membrane also disappear, disintegrated, degenerated. So after that it is reappear after new cell formation. So inside of this nucleus membrane, what is a colloid, liquid, fluid nature containing nucleoplasm is there. In this nucleoplasm, chromosomes are there. Chromo means colored bodies are there. They are very important thread-like structures. Generally, these are not appear. They are only appear at the time of cell division. Remaining time generally, what is chromosomes are not appear. So invisible stage inside of the nucleoplasm, chromosomes are there. They are also useful for the hereditary character transmission from one generation to other generation through a chromosome. So in these are the important parts present in the cell. The basic cell contains three parts. Plasma membrane. So then after cytoplasm, nucleus. Tomorrow discuss. So how the each cell membranes can able to perform their function. Discuss tomorrow.